What will be the answer for this exponential problem? You have to calculate its answer in your mind, in your head, and those who calculate the answer in their heads for this question are very intelligent, and I think 90% have calculated the answer in their heads, but most people get 1 as answer. How they will get 1? Because 2 cube is 8 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Here is division. 2 raised to power 4, it is 16. 16 divided by, it is 16. So after division it will be 1. Okay, 1 is the answer. But remember that 1 answer is not correct answer. So if it is incorrect, what will be the accurate and correct solution for this activity? It is basically exponential question. 2 raised to power 4, it is 16 divided by 2 raised to power 3, which is 8, open parenthesis, 1 plus 1 gives us 2. But what order we have to obey to get this question correctly? Pemdas, parenthesis, E for exponent, power, M, D, multiplication and division, A, S, addition and subtraction. So follow this order to get it correctly. Parenthesis, here is only parenthesis. 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 3 multiplied by parenthesis give us 2. Now exponent is there. Here is exponent, which will become 16 divided by 2 cube is exponent, gives us 8 times 2. Now we have multiplication and division. Don't say that multiplication is the first step. No, multiplication and division both are same. We have to move from left to right. As here division is at left, we have to handle division first. So 16 divided by 8 gives us 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 will be our answer, not 1. 1 is wrong, 4 is right. Thank you for your support.